Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back and thanks for joining me. So tonight I am going to do a mini Dutch pour. I've been doing all these diptychs and triptychs and big pieces, and I figured, you know what? I think I'm going to go for a little mini Dutch pour and use my mini dryer, my mini hair dryer. No, it's not a hair dryer. It's like a mini leaf blower kind of thing. But if you haven't seen this before, I have used it once before. It's in video number 139. I'll link it here at the top for anyone who wants to see that video. So I figured, you know what? I'm going to give this one a go again. I've only used it once, so I'm going to try it again. I bought this off Amazon. And if you're interested in purchasing this, you can do so using my link in my Amazon shop. It is listed below in the description. A lot of people ask, how does it plug in? I will show you. So here I have, it's a USB. That's how it plugs in. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and taken my charger from my iPad. I'm sure you can use your iPhone charger or any USB plug. And then I just plugged it into my extension cord here. And I plug the USB part into that. So that's how you plug it in. It doesn't plug into the outlet like a regular plug, and it's got an on-off button. All right, it's pretty powerful little sucker, so we'll give it a go. So seeing that these are really small canvases, I figured I would flood them on camera, since I don't usually ever flood my pieces on camera anymore because it does take so long. But because these are such small little pieces, I don't even know what size they are, 4x12s, I think, something like that. Yeah. So I will use, wow, it's so weird trying to spread out paint on these teeny tiny canvases. That's funny. It's been so long since I've done a little small canvas. So if you are also looking to purchase the spatula, it's an omelet turning spatula, which is the greatest thing I've ever bought for my paint pouring. You can find that also on my Amazon shop. Again, listed in the description below. I don't think I shook that. So the white is my Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White, along with Floetrol and water. And if you want to know the ratios of how I mix my paints, check out video number 63. I will also again link it here at the top for anyone who's interested in watching. All right, so I'm just gonna use my fingers here and make sure I get all my edges. I just want to say thank you to Robin for the PayPal donation. That is very generous of you. Thank you very much, Robin. For anyone else who would like to donate to my channel, you can do so using the PayPal link that is listed in the description below. So yeah, and then what else? Since I'm doing this and talking, what's new and exciting? Well, we're supposed to get a snowstorm tonight, all into tomorrow. My kids' school and the teachers around the entire school district, not just my district, but literally the region, are all on strike. So I don't know how I feel about that, so I'm not going to comment. Actually, I do know how I feel about it, but I'm still not going to comment. But the kids did not have school today, and they do not have school tomorrow either. They are on strike, so the schools are closed. And they will be on strike again next week on Tuesday, Thursday. So good times. Thank God for Grandma, because they go and stay with Grandma because we have to work. So we are very lucky to have Grandma who lives down the road. All right, my white is on. I am going to pop my bubbles with my new torch. If you don't know about this new torch, check out my previous video. I mentioned it in my previous video. You can buy it off Amazon, and you can save yourself 10%. You can save 10% off of this using code Kanella10. It's pretty cool. Like I said, check out my previous video and I talk all about it and the fun things that it does. All right, I missed a spot. All right, so colors I'm using tonight. I wanted to try these colors on a big canvas, but I figured, you know what, let me try it on a small canvas for now, although I'm pretty sure they're still going to work really well, but I'll try it on a small canvas for now, and I will probably do a big one down the road. So we have Turquoise Green by Academy, Grumbacher, yep. And then I'm going to use a Metallic Cobalt Blue by Artist Loft, and then Bright Aqua Green by Liquitex Basics, and then of course my new favorite color, 24 Karat Gold by ColourArte. This is my new favorite contrasting color to use. So I think I've got it in the order I want it in. Maybe. Nope, there we go. Not that it matters too much, but I'm trying to keep these two separate. Again, not that it matters too much. All right, so I'm going to do my squiggly lines, and because this is such a small canvas, I'm going to go in a diagonal pattern. All right, no sense in going this way because that'll just look silly. So it's so weird doing such a small canvas, but we will see how it turns out with my little mini dryer or mini blower. It's called the world's smallest blower. That's what it's called. And I think this is a lot of paint for this little canvas, but that's okay. All right, there we go. So yeah, we're supposed to get quite the snowstorm, so Juno will be thrilled about that. So he'll be excited to play out in the snow, hopefully tomorrow. All right, so I'm going to pop my bubbles really quick. All right, torch those bubbles. Get a little piece of fluffer out. There we go, out of there. All right, so the colors look stunning on here. So let's blow this out. Again, I'm not going to flood my white, so let's give it a go. This thing is so powerful. Like, you really have to be very gentle with it. Again, this is my only second ever time using it. I can't believe how powerful this little thing is. I almost got to hold it from far back just to make sure. All right. I'm going to put them together. Kind of want to try and blow it across. I'm not sure. Gosh, it's loud and annoying. Okay, so I shouldn't have pushed it together. I shouldn't have done that. But I kind of like the way the white negative is here and the white negative is here. So I'm done using that. That is actually super duper powerful. So I'm not sure, I want to keep using it. I'll tell you this though, I absolutely love the colors. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my finger and scrape off that turquoise from there because I want this to be negative space white, and you just don't want to pour over it with white because the color will come through. So you want to wipe it. Maybe I should just get another paper towel. All right, yeah, you want to wipe it the best you can to get the color off of it. All right, I shouldn't have sandwiched them together, but I did, but that's okay. Okay, so let's go back and add the white. I'm really loving these colors though. The colors are great. So I'm definitely going to do this on a much larger canvas for sure. All right, and then the same thing here. Luckily it's just a bit. So I will scrape that off and then get more on there because of my finger. All right, so that is off. And I will add my white. And there is a JUNO hair there. Okay, that dog is shedding like insane right now. It's called a blowout. And boy, is he ever blowing out. I don't know by the time you see this video if I'll have the other video uploaded, but I took a video of me brushing him. It'll probably be up tomorrow or the next day. But anywho, you won't believe the amount of hair that came off this dog. It's absolutely insane. Okay. Whoa, I really like this. So you can even flip it and turn around, put them side by side, or you can literally keep them opposite like this, which is kind of neat. Now, do I blow on it a little bit? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know. Maybe I will, just a bit. All right. And then I think I'm going to do the same on this side. My gosh, moving these around is like so easy. They're so teeny tiny. All right. All right, and get rid of that one little fluff. I love these colors, no joke. These colors are amazing. And I think that looks so neat. I'm so gonna do this on a big canvas. Unbelievable. All right, I love it. I'm done. There's no cells because I guess probably because the way it was blown. Let's see what happens. Yeah, no, I don't want to over torch it and then get a bunch of like teeny tiny white bubbles. Let me bring you guys down and show you how this looks up close because the colors are stunning. All right, so what I'm seeing in the camera is not what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing more of a blue undertone, but it's not. In person, it's actually more like a turquoise. So I'm not really sure why the camera's not capturing the true turquoise color. It almost all looks like this color here and this color here. So this color is the same as here, but I don't know what I'm seeing here on the camera through the camera lens is not what is the true color here. So it's really bizarre. However, I wonder if I go back. I don't know. It's really weird, but it really is more turquoise like this, to be honest with you. So I'm not really sure why the camera is totally not picking that up. But what do you guys think? Do you like it this way? Should I turn it around and put them side by side? I actually kind of like it this way. So, and the gold, there's that gold shimmer. See how it shimmers? It's kind of like a nice little overlay of shimmer. Look at that. I think that is so neat. I love this gold. I love, love, love it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and let me know if you want to see this on a much bigger scale with the actual hairdryer and a proper Dutch pour. And I'll definitely give it a go because I'm loving these colors. So if you are new watching, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like it. I would really appreciate it, guys. Honestly, hit that like button. It really helps my channel. Subscribing really helps my channel. And that's it. Leave a comment below. Check out all my social media links. I am now on TikTok. For those of you who have no idea what TikTok is, it's a app that you post short video clips with music. So the link is in the description below as well. So if you are on TikTok, follow me there. And that's it. So until next time, have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to go check out Juno's YouTube channel. His channel is listed in the description below, or just go on YouTube and search Juno the Husky, okay? And go and follow him too. I really, really appreciate it. Okay, I'm done now. Bye!